Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make a vegan chocolate mousse. This is really easy. Starting off, you're going to want 100 grams of dark chocolate or vegan chocolate, whatever you prefer, 1 block of silken tofu. You're going to want some chocolate powder for sprinkles on the end, 2 teaspoons of agave and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. That's it. Now, to your little ninja cup, you're going to go in with the silken tofu, the agave and the vanilla, and your melted dark chocolate. See, told you it was easy. Blitz that up, make it nice and creamy and smooth. As you can see, if you flip it upside down, it should stay in place. Pour that into a ramekin, make it nice and pretty. Then you're going to dust that off with some chocolate powder and some chocolate chips. Look at that. Told you, easy. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like vegan recipes, please do make sure you're following me. I've got a whole ton of them here. Ciao for now, and I will see you on the next one. By the way, find me on Twitter and Instagram, Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.